everyone, welcome to Tips and Tricks episode. Ooh. I am Linda, this is Bob, and you are with It's Lin's Life. On this episode of Tips and Tricks video, you're going to listen to secret messes. How are you? How was your week? My week was extremely messy and busy, and I ended up turning my house upside down. Then I thought, I should share this tip with you all. Secret Mess is a special episode I created for you guys to make your homemaking life little more relaxable. I will be sharing all the secret messes in all of our houses which gets unnoticed and end up in a disastrous day. So if you haven't yet joined my tribe, make sure to join my tribe because I will be sharing all the homemaking stuff on every Mondays. That means I share all the work I do and all the things I do in this house with you guys. Today I'm going to share with you one mess that happens in our house that kind of go unnoticed or which we can expect. When we expect things, the impact is very less. The negative impact is very less. So that is on the days you fall sick or on the days you're extremely busy with cooking or anything like, be prepared for the disaster. Yes, I don't know if you have noticed or not, on such days, this one secret mess happen in majority of the houses. When you fall sick, your husband or your boyfriend turned a child and your kids becomes crazy and your house turned out upside down. But do not worry, take rest, be prepared, give enough rest for your body, and also get emotionally prepared for a humongous cleaning day. Which I also wanted to point out, it is very important to keep yourself also healthy. Yes, the house turned messy, but on the day you are sick, that is the priority. That's why each day you have to make your plans. So if you are sick on the day, you are the prior, your health is the priority. Take rest, take enough rest, but emotionally get prepared for that mess so that next day or the day you are fine, you can clean up your mess. So I hope you do make a note of today's secret mess tips and tricks, and I hope you will be more prepared on the next time to face the challenge of mess in your house and tackle it very effectively with planning. So I will see all of you in the next week with some other video. So until then, take care. Thumbs up if you do like, subscribe if you do love. Bye bye.